Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so today we are in Maplewood, New Jersey, Dollar Tree. Honey, when I went to edit this video and seen that there was no sound, I was finna to delete the video. But I was like, no, Dina, you ain't gonna delete the video. You put your work in. So this mini razor Dollar Tree has 5 blades. This is new. It's a mini razor. It's $1.25. Dollar Tree is also selling these nail drying drops. Have you guys seen these? Oh my goodness, with jojoba oil and vitamin E. This was definitely a steal deal like Holyfield. Dollar Tree has so many new amazing items. And I told you guys before that I used to be one of those girls who used to be like, I don't do Dollar Tree, right? Because I felt like I was too good, to tell you the truth. But nowadays, I am so happy to be shopping at Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree also had this Katy Kat gloss. Now, I had did a live video tonight on this lip gloss. Honey, when this video would be out, it'll be Monday. I filmed this video Sunday, okay? And this purple, it just wasn't given, okay? It just wasn't given. Oh my goodness. You see these small lanterns? They are so cute. I thought these was the cutest thing, okay? Now, they came in 2 different colors. They had a switch. You just turn the switch on underneath. And, honey, those lanterns definitely was delivering. Okay, here I'm just saying, honey, Linda, Dollar Tree got the tea. Okay, now, this Dollar Tree, I like coming to this Dollar Tree because on Saturdays they tend to get their truck and they be having some amazing items. When I tell you that they be having some really good stuff, they really be having some good stuff. Now, this microfiber kitchen towel, love and paw prints. Dollar Tree's been really showing out for you and me, okay? They also have those oven mitts. Now, these oven mitts, I would normally get things like this from Dollar Tree, like the oven mitts and the pot holders, just for decor, okay? Because you know that these things are thin. And just in case if you don't know that these oven mitts are then, honey, well, let me be the first to tell you, if you haven't heard, those oven mitts are really, really thin, but they make your kitchen pop more because they have that bright yellow and it's really good for decor. Dollar Tree also had this sign, this kitchen microfiber towel. Make time to enjoy life. Honey, you better enjoy life. Life moves very quick and it doesn't wait for anyone. Now, these Robin Miss Daisy hats, I was not feeling these at all, by far. Okay. They were $1.25, but this snap cap, it was really cute. I like that. And then Dollar Tree, of course, honey, they ain't waiting for no one. They put in their 4th of July stuff out already. Those headbands, they was cute. And then Dollar Tree is also selling like this clear tote bag. That was $1.25. And these bags, they were cute. Especially these. I like those better. They came in like 3 different colors. This color right here, this blue, was really, really cool. Now, Dollar Tree is also selling this 11-piece party serving kit. One of the things about Dollar Tree that I noticed is some of the items, depending on what Dollar Tree stores you go to, some of the items may be marked one price and then at another location, another Dollar Tree, it may be marked at another price. But I remember this 11-piece party serving tray. Honey, that was $5 before the new year. Okay. But then they brought it to 10, which is not bad because it's a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree also is putting out they flip-flops right now. They have some clogs. They also have sandals. Okay. Like these slides right here, Miss Anderson. Okay. That is on YouTube, okay? I like to say you guys my family, okay? My social media family. But she told me that in her Dollar Tree, these pink slides, they are $5. But the tan ones and the blue ones, those are $1.25. This max charge, I definitely was going to get this, okay? This is a battery pack. It was $5. But then I decided, I don't know about getting this. I had purchased a battery pack from Five Below that was $5. And honey, that thing was about nothing. Okay. It worked for a little while, probably for like one day. And then after that, it gave up. Okay. Gave up on me. Now, Dollar Tree also have these candle holders. When I tell you Dollar Tree is doing the thing for you and me, it was the goal for me. And then also we had seen this exfoliating lip serum, okay, by Be Pure. This is the pineapple extract and vitamin E, is $1.25. Now these came out a few months ago. I didn't purchase those. But they look really interesting. Let me know in the comment section if you guys brought those. Now, these LA colors, you may want to check out my live video that I did on these eyeshadow sticks. Honey, when I tell you they ate like cake. Okay. I had got the Groovy, which is like this black color, and then I also had purchased the green one. Now looking back, I'm like, oh my goodness, I sure should have gotten the gold looking one, but I didn't get the gold. And they have a few other colors, like they also have the white that's called Intuition. But this green, oh my goodness, green is definitely on the team. If you don't know, green is my favorite color. I'm a greens girl. I'm a red girl. Now, when it comes to lip color, honey, red is definitely my thing, especially a matte red lip color. Oh gosh. Okay. Now, Dollar Tree also had these LA colors, these lip balms, these sheer lip balms. I haven't tried these yet, but the packaging, oh my goodness. Whoever is on Dollar Tree's marketing team, especially when it comes to like these makeup products, honey, you doing your thing like a chicken wing. Let me just say that. Okay, let me give you your flowers now. Dollar Tree also have the Cream Gel Blush LA Colors, which is also $1.25. And then they also have the Clean Beauty Lip Jellies. Now, I have purchased a few of the lip jellies. I think I have about 3 of them, and my favorite one is Rose. Dollar Tree also have the Face Highlight, which is $1.25. The Glow Up Brush is $1.25. But honey, this brow mechanical, okay, I was going to get this, but I said, no, Dina, you don't need nothing else pertaining to brow gel, brow pencil. You don't need nothing else. Dollar Tree also had the Paradise Breeze face and body wipes. You get $34.25. This have amber and plum scent. Now, they also have these masks over here, 5 lip masks, which is Rose Plus Collagen. And then they also have these under eye masks. And then they also had this 3-piece hydrogel eye patches for $1.25. This is one of the reasons why I love shopping at Dollar Tree, because not for nothing, they give you so many options, so many choices. Is really, really good. Okay. Now, right here, I'm just pretty much looking to get online. It was crowded in here today. Okay. Normally, I like going to the stores early morning just because, you know, no distractions, no people, you don't hear people talking in the background and stuff like that. But if I gotta come later in the day, I definitely will. This is pretty much me putting all the stuff on a conveyor belt and getting ready to check out. And all right, go family, to if you my next Dollar Tree. Video, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for supporting me and for continuously pouring into me, watching my videos, sharing my videos, commenting on my videos. If you enjoyed this, make sure you watch the next one.